Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to choose a template on the NotesWriter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen and click on choose a template, which is the fifth option. Here you can select from these templates. If you scroll down, you can see that you have a bunch of template options that you can choose from. So click on the relevant one that you want to choose and then start editing it. You can type in your notes, draw into it, add images, insert stamps, sketches, links, and so on. So that's how you can use the different templates. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.